How's it T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Today's piece of tech was recommended by a member of this family, but we already had videos lined up so we couldn't review it then, but today we're reviewing it. So remember what I told you once? You have a voice in this family. Use it. So Livingstone, if you're watching, thank you. And in the spirit of saying thanks, I want to say thank you to every member of this family. Your shares, your likes, your subscriptions, they really help this channel. But I'm going to ask us to step up our engagement. Let's step it up a little bit. It helps the whole YouTube algorithm thing, which helps this channel. So yeah. So if you're watching this channel and you're not part of this family yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but don't be shy. Join us. It's fun on this side and it's free. Just click the subscribe button right there and you're done. That's about it. So today's item, let's go see what it is. Come on. This is the TAOTRONICS SOUNDLIBERTY53 in-ear headphones. It boasts of a total playtime of 40 hours from a single charge, and that includes the charging case. It boasts of noise isolation, intuitive smart touch controls, unsurpassed connectivity with Bluetooth 5, IPX4 waterproof, which means it can handle water sprinkles but can't be immersed. So if it gets some sweat on it, you don't need to worry. Price on this one, 769 rands. For 769 rands, this is yours. Okay, this is it. This is the TAOTRONICS TT-BH053 SOUNDLIBERTY53. Well, let's just get into it. Let's get into it. So this is what you get in the box. You get the charging case with the earbuds in it, USB cable for charging, and ear tips, extra ear tips. This is what we're interested in, so let's just get into it. Simple case, nothing spectacular, just with the TAOTRONICS name on top of it here. And we've got some indicator lights here. At the back, charging port. All right. Okay, here we have the right and the left. Okay. All right. Main test, the shake test. Okay. You can hear it wiggle, but it's not falling off. Not bad. Magnet, not bad. All right, let's see what it sounds like. All right, let's put that aside. Let's pair these. As you can see the indicator light blinking. I think it's trying to pair, so let's pair it. Let's go straight to the music. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's go. All right. Wow, I like this song. Okay, it sounds incredible. Oh wow, this is incredible. You should hear the sound. There's this light tweet sound at the background. You can pick it up. It's incredible. Wow. All right. Okay, I'll tell you this. I wish you could hear what I'm hearing right now. There's this there's a little bit of a tweeting sound, you know, like the old Kenwood speakers. There's this little tweet sound that mixes with the music. It's incredible. That's like that is what I hear in this earbud. It is incredible. Wow, that is good. That is very good. All right, let's just test the function, see how it works. To pause and play, let's see if we tap once, what happens when we tap once. Oh, pause and play, you tap twice on the right and it pauses. and it plays and you tap twice on the right. Okay, let's see what happens when we do the same on the left. It pauses and plays. So tapping left and right, pause and play. Okay, let's see what happens when we tap once. Oh, that affects the volume. Okay, once on the left, tap once on the left reduces the volume, and so I'm guessing tapping once on the right will increase the volume. Yep, and that increases the volume. That is good. Okay, what happens when we tap the thingy 3 times? Let's see. Oh, 3 times takes you to the next song. Yeah, 3 times on the right takes you to the next track. So 3 times on the left will take you to the previous track. Okay, that's good. So once on the left reduces the volume, once on the right increases the volume. Tapping twice on the left will take you to would pause the song or the track. You tap twice on the right, same action. You tap 3 times on the right, goes to the next track. You tap 3 times on the left, goes to the previous track. That is very good. Let's give it a second listen. Oh wow, I like this song. Oh wow, it's incredible. The sound quality is very good. Wow. Oh wow, that's good. That's very good. Wow, okay. I'm impressed. I am impressed. Wow. This is cool. This is really cool. I am very impressed. It's wow. Okay. I'm sold. Incredible device. That is very good. Well, did not disappoint, TAOTRONICS. It's been 3 days since we did the review on the TAOTRONICS TT-BH053 SOUNDLIBERTY53. That's a mouthful. Anyways, it's been 3 days since we did the review, and this is my observation. It's a very good headset. The sound production is perfect, it's on point, and the mic is crystal clear. But would I say this is the cheapest budget earbud I've seen? No ways. I checked the playlist. I have reviewed cheaper and better performing earbuds than this. Would I say it's worth the price? Yes and no. No, because like I said, I've reviewed cheaper and better performing earbud on this channel. Just check the playlist. But yes, if you've been looking for a budget earbud to get and this is what you find, then yes, it is worth the price. Would I say it's a good buy? Definitely yes. It is a good buy. It's a go for me. Green light all the way. Yeah, all the way. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's help this channel grow. And until next time, take care.